This is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra phone, and it's incredibly good phone. If we fix the gap with other phones, it has a kind of become the standard performance test. We get about the 65000 on Exynos, which to be honest is a good score. We will start with the finish because matte black is everything for solid. A font which like spec sheets, but it's really nice finish. It's a really clean, flat, smooth black finish on glass and with a slightly different texture on the metal finishing around the cameras. And then it turns into your typical glossy black around the edges, but the whole look of this font is everything intentional. And the first impression of the font is tingling. And the way the camera module curves into body of the phone, the way it looks like overlay in your hands. Of course, Galaxy S21 Ultra on top of the first one. It has 6.8 inches display, 1440 by 32, 108 MP pixels, and 12 by 16 GB Exynos 21500 mAh 20 by 10N. So the technologies GSM, CDM, SPA, and LTE 5G. 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G band and speed Bluetooth announced which is coming on the 21st January 2021. So that this mat is amazing and also it rejecting the fingerprints. Yeah, of course. If we discuss about the dimension, it 165 by 756 and the weight is 279 by 8.010 ounce. So yeah, it's built glass run Gorilla Glass with this glass black Gorilla Aluminium, and of course it's a SIM dual SIM nano. And the water resistant up to 1.5 ml for 30 minutes. This Samsung has a carbon fiber wave in the camera module with carbon fiber skin so you can get the look easily. If we talk about the design, the Galaxy S21 Ultra has a sequel to the 20 Ultra. It's actually a very large phone but not look like that. And there is a small intangibles, a lot of small adjustment that makes probably this phone is the best ever. And if you start checking this phone, you can't sleep the whole night. This is a huge invention, and this is a huge OLED that will finally 1440 pixels resolution, and it's come with 120 Hz. Yes, it has even more brighter look up to 1500 Hz top, so it's viewable in the pretty much, and it's really actively variant. The refresh rates to save the battery from the many experiences. And yes, of course, you can see so much good coloring and display. The fingerprint sensor is new in this Samsung Switch phone, and the fingerprint display is very fast reader and incredibly noticeable. It's 1.77 times size bigger and it's long last time. Yeah, and you can claim to the larger sensor area while experience of using the fingerprints. Sensor all the time, much less frustrating. On the paper, Snapdragon 8 inside 12 on 14 gigabytes of RAM depending on which specs you set. Fast USF 3.1 storage, not expandable, which is technically a downgrade. The high refresh rate display and the 500 mAh hour battery. So this one is clearly flagship performance on paper, but off paper there are a lot of improvements to one UI 3 on this phone. That they do probably make a move, and it's a very offensive and different move. And you can't sleep the whole night if you're using the Samsung software. The whole reason they do is so offer so many features as possible as they can do, and there's a ton of feature packed into the phone that have a lot of potential for the customization and just letting you tailor it to behave. Of course, the way you want. Galaxy S21 Ultra is the new volume control, those slider little clear, and there are new notification also grouping on the top, and you can change and organize the apps as you want. So here we go, let's talk about the fingerprint scanner Qualcomm S-Gen 2 3D Psionic sensor, which was around 77 point larger compared and 50% faster than the previous generations, having 6.0 inches display with small bezel and the infinity of punch out. The only S1 that has the quad HD resolution, which is coming 120 Hz. You got maximum sharpness with the maximum smoothness. The display is 25% brighter compared to the last one. So, it is 1500 Hz and the brightness smartphone display in the market, of course. 50% more concentration, and there is a 55% more contrast. Of course, Samsung is ahead of the game. And yes, ultra wide camera, primary camera, and two telephoto camera. You will be able 12 megapixels high resolution. Micro shots also have 3 times more dynamic range with 12 wide raw captures. So this is our Samsung Galaxy S21. Or what do you think through? What do you think? Would you buy one? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you have any question, drop them there as well. We will leave all the relevant links in the description below area so you can also check them out as well. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.